While the importance of addressing OCM is not a new topic in project management, Gartner research tells us cultural aversion to change is the prevailing and recurring roadblock to the success of data and analytics programs. Luckily, benchmarking data indicates that projects have a 6x success rate when organizational change practices are addressed. So, while this is a frequent problem, this is also a solvable problem. Numerous OCM methodologies exist to enable you to mitigate the risk. We are showing and adapting the Cotter model here. Regardless of the methodology used, often the last steps are not executed because they largely occur post-launch. To fully mitigate the risk of this pitfall, you need to ensure two additional things occur post-launch. First, you need to clarify who is accountable for ensuring the change is occurring. Generally, we have the sense that projects have good OCM leadership during the project work. However, following launch, those leaders move on to new projects. Another common circumstance is that after launch, you often need people who are dispersed through the organization to ensure that the new processes are embraced, and you need those people to know that they are responsible for the new processes. Second, you need to establish mechanisms to monitor for successful adoption of associated changes. For instance, if your new MDM implementation necessitates a need for how new customers are set up, you need to monitor how often those setups are occurring and scan for any setups still occurring via the old mechanisms. Progress of adoption needs to be reinforced and, where appropriate, rewarded. And the change leader responsible for the metrics needs to provide regular communication to other process participants. If you would like to talk more about this organizational model or other governance questions, please reach out to Kurt Hotmer, Infoverity's Global Practice Director for Operational Services. Thank you.